Before we import any assets into nettTracker, it's very important first to check that the financial year is set correctly. On this company, it's running from the 1st of January 2021 to 31st of December 2021. So I want to bring through my assets as of the 1st of January. So the last year end will be 31st of December 2020. I should now check my balance sheet as of 31st of December 2020 and look at the total fixed asset values that are held there. This total should agree exactly to the total value of fixed assets per my fixed asset register. If it doesn't, I'll either need to make some adjustments within my accounting software, or I'll need to make sure that my fixed asset register is up to date before moving forward. In this example, the balance sheet and the fixed asset register agree exactly as they should per the last financial year end. So I'm now going to move forward with importing my assets. I'm going to go to the asset register menu and select the option to import assets. From this screen, I'm going to select the option to download template. In the top section of the download template, there are notes that explain what each of the columns relate to. In the middle of the template, there are some notes that give additional guidance to help you get the template completed effectively. There is an example of an asset to be imported, which we will need to remove, as well as the notes, before we start adding our assets to this list. With the sample asset line and the important notes removed, we can now start copy and pasting our asset register details into this template. You should be able to copy the details of the purchase date, the description, the cost brought forward and the depreciation brought forward from your current asset register spreadsheet. You may need to manually type in the name of the asset group, so please make sure it is spelt correctly. For the depreciation rule, you'll need to use the required format. In this example, SL-5 is for straight line 5 years. If you are using a depreciation rule that isn't one of our general defaults, like straight line 14 years or reducing balance 11.5%, please make sure that you've set them up first before you attempt to import them. With the download template saved, you can drop the file into the space provided, or you can browse for the file. If there are any errors detected, they will be highlighted on this screen. You can make edits at this stage as well if you wish, but if everything is okay, you can select the option to complete the import. Once the assets have been successfully imported, you'll be taken to the asset register screen. Please check the values for your brought forward costs and your brought forward depreciation for each of your asset groups are as expected.